Hola amigos, welcome to Vegan Method. Today I'm making chalupas in respect of Cinco de Mayo. To make the chalupas I have 2¼ cups of flour, 1 cup of plant milk, and for this I've used rice milk, 2 tablespoons of vegan butter, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, half a teaspoon of salt and some vegetable oil for cooking. So the first thing we're going to do is add the dry ingredients into the flour. So the baking powder and salt goes in together. That is then mixed around, and then I'm going to slowly start adding in the rice milk into the flour and mixing that up. We don't want to add it all in together because we want to make sure it's not too wet. Obviously if it is too wet you can add more flour to dry it out, and then I will add the butter and get my hands in and give it a good mix until I get a dough that is very similar to a pizza based dough. So I firstly flour the chopping board, and then I'm going to chop the dough into 4 equal pieces. Get my rolling pin, make sure there's flour on that as well so it doesn't stick to the dough, and I'm going to roll out the chalupa ready to put into the pot of hot oil. And when I say hot, it is really hot, so please be careful if you make this when placing the chalupa. Always place away from yourself into the hot oil. So after around 45 seconds one side is cooked and we flip it over, and then we're going to bend it to create the boat shape. It creates like a taco, and that is where the ingredients that we will put inside the chalupa go into. You have to be careful with this so it doesn't break, but you'll keep turning it until you've fully cooked both sides and you will get a boat shaped chalupa. Once it's finished cooking, place it on one side to drain off any excess oil and to cool down. I have then filled this with vegan mince, onions and peppers. I've got a homemade guacamole, some roasted sweet corn, homemade sour cream and some chopped tomatoes as a salsa. If you are celebrating Cinco de Mayo, I wish you a very good day and thank you very much for watching.